viewers, greetings of the day. Nice to see you again. Welcome again to Amami channel with me, Imran viewers. Today we would like to discuss about the project construction dashboard. What this construction dashboard looks like, what kinds of material inside this dashboard. We will discuss it more further. Don't go anywhere, stay tuned, enjoy watching this video till finish. Here is the project construction dashboard. Before we discuss it more further, any assumption, any materials that I will explain in advance. This project construction dashboard for 1 year project operation and for piping work, but you can change it as your project duration and as your project scope of work. Any 5 worksheets in this project construction dashboard. Any construction dashboard itself, any work activities, yes, any earned value table, any detail table, any raw data imported from Primavera. Okay. Any force area in this project construction dashboard. Any piping construction underground, any piping construction above ground, any piping offsite area, any piping utility area. Okay. And any 5 main section. Okay. Any 5 main section in the project construction dashboard. Okay. In the top left here, any some project report material, any actual progress, target progress, any earned value, planned value, actual cost, quality, cost safety, environment performance, manpower ratio or manpower performance index, invoice ratio, schedule performance index, cost performance index, budget at completion, estimate at completion, planned finish date, expected finish date, schedule variance, invoice amount paid. In the top right, any percent progress discipline wise. This is bar chart in horizontal view. Any piping work and completion, any procurement, engineering service projects, facilities, service-based operations, and any resource management, any project management. In the yellow colors, percent actual. In the white colors, percent target, and the blue color, percent weight. Okay. in the below labs, any percent progress curve. Yes, any bar chart also. Okay. Bar in the red color means this period target percent. Bar in the yellow color, this period actual percent. Okay, lines in the green color, cumulative target percent. Okay, and then bar in the light purples mean cumulative actual percent. Okay, in the below right, any bubble diagram divided in the 4 quadrant. Okay, this is for project management in the white color, in the white circle colors. Resource management in the light purple colors, facilities, SBO service-based operation in the dark purples, procurement, engineering service projects in the light greens, and piping work and completion in the dark green. Okay, and this is divided into 4 quadrants. First quadrant, over budget and ahead schedule. In the yellow quadrant, in the green quadrant, under budget and ahead of schedule. In the red quadrant, over budget and behind schedule. In the yellow quadrant, under budget and behind schedule. Okay. And any earned value, S curve. Okay. And any bar chart also. Yes. Bar with the yellow color mean present value this period. Okay. Black line. Budgeted cost for work schedule, BCWS or present value. Green colors, budgeted cost for work performance or earned value. Okay. And also any note or justification. You can add it in this section. Okay, and any construction project cost, any approved cost, any actual cost, any remaining cost, any non-productive time estimate at completion, and the below in the below section any site progress photogram. Okay, okay. And I equip already each cell with formulation inside. Okay, with formulation inside. And if you want to change it, you could follow each instruction in each formulation inside the cells, and you find the origin cells without formulation inside, and you could change it as your project requirement. Okay, as your project requirement. Okay, let me check formulation inside the cells for earned value. This is any multiplication cell between 8, 6 and E17. For the plans value, any multiplication inside the cell between L6 and E17. This is same also in this area. Any formulation index radians cell disturbance rows 3, and this area also any formulation index radians cell disturbance rows 4. Okay, you could check another section here in a present progress discipline wise. You just clicks this bar and you see the formulation inside. Any construction dashboard worksheet in a cell A100 till EG 105 in the rows 3. Okay, this is construction dashboard worksheet. This is double A, and you just find cell 100 here. Okay, yes, okay, 100, yes, here and here. Okay, here's the cell we means. Yes, the highlighted cell, the highlighted area. Okay, okay. This is same applies also to another's project progress report materials in this project construction dashboard. I would like to tell you the uniqueness of this project construction dashboard. When you change one construction area, okay, okay, and all progress report materials in this construction dashboard will change and refer to the project construction area you choose. Okay, but before I choose another area, please see the condition, the all project progress report materials before I choose another project construction area. Okay, okay, this is the material progress report. Okay, okay, this is the circles chart. Okay, and you see this progress discipline wise, the number inside the bar. Okay, okay, and this is a variance of progress S curve, and this is a variance of earned value S curve, and this is a variance of bubble diagram with the quadrant. Okay, okay, let's see the chain. Yes, let's see the chain. Okay, yes, and all progress report materials inside this dashboard change already and refer to the piping construction underground progress. Okay, section change already, and this section also change already. Okay, this is same also to progress S curve, change already, the earned value S curve change already, and this is for bubble diagram change already. Okay, okay, here is my explanations about project construction dashboards, and thank you very much for watching. Don't Don't forget to like, subscribe, comments, and please share also this video to others so that they can take advantage of it also. Okay? Thank you very much for your support so my YouTube channel can develop properly. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.